Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome. It's Monday, April 13th. Today's announcements. It's our second Monday of the digital learning plan. Today, a little piece or a little announcement about honesty. I'm going to quote Sigmund Freud. He was a great doctor of psychiatry in the 20th century. He once said that being entirely honest with oneself is a good exercise. After all, you can't correct a problem until you first admit you have one. That's Dr. Freud on honesty. More about honesty, but first, a word from our sponsors. Today's announcements are brought to you by the number 13, your counselors who remind you to check your Gmail today for Google Class codes for classes they have created, and by the word honesty. Honesty. If you want somebody to trust you, be honest with them. Back to announcements. For most of us, it's very easy to be honest. We get through the world quite easily by not lying, not cheating, not stealing. We're pretty good with it. But are we good with being honest with ourselves? That sometimes is a much more difficult task. Think about some of the relationships you've been in or some of the conflicts you've had with other people, and how it's so easy to blame the other person. They started it, it's their fault, it's them not understanding. But do we really look honestly at our own behaviors that may have caused the conflict? Do we really look inside and see what we might have done to make the situation worse rather than better? That's the tougher task, and that's what we need to do whenever we're in conflict with somebody. We need to own our own behavior and look honestly at ourselves, at what we have done, at what our behavior is. So take today's announcements, take this reminder as an awesome opportunity to add value in the world by just being honest. You add value every day, Wildcats, by being respectful, by being responsible, by being charitable, by being kind, by being courteous. Use today as an opportunity to add value by adding honesty to your repertoire. Remember what Mr. Holton said about sending a gratitude card to somebody that you should be grateful for. Well, look honestly at yourself and decide who you're going to send that card to today. So it's Monday the 13th. Have a great day, Wildcats. Work hard, add value everywhere you go, and do an honest day's hard work today. Have a great day, Wildcats.